Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? Wow, today is a wonderful day. As we ended yesterday's call, I placed two trades. It's on a currency pair and it's Euro GBP with the bounce arrow strategy. As you can see, it bounced off here and an arrow showed up. But I didn't catch this first arrow. As the market went down a little bit, I then entered the trade. Currently, I'm on profit on these two trades. I placed three trades though, three trades. So it's Euro GBP. This I placed it on one standard lot. So this is $402. This is $267, and this is 265. So I placed two trades at a particular area. So I'm going to do some break even right now. I'm going to use my stop loss and lock some profits. I'm going to lock some profits. Okay, so I've locked some profits. So even if I go off to relax, I'm still in profit, and if the market goes against me, it will take me out on the profits I locked. But the market is still on a very downtrend, very very big downtrend. And why I entered this trade is because I went down on my daily. You say before you place a trade on a 1 hour, you have to check two time frames. You have to check the daily and check the 4 hours, then place your trade on the 1 hour. If you want to place your trade on 4 hours, you have to check the weekly and the daily, then place your trade on the 4 hours. If you want to place your trade on the daily, you have to check the monthly and weekly, then place your trade on the daily. So if everything is in sync, if everything is in the same direction, this is one of the secrets of the professional traders I'm sharing with you here. Don't worry about any other thing you know. Don't worry about indicators. Don't worry about this signal group or that. Just worry about this. Make sure that the weekly and daily are saying the same thing. And if you go down in 4 hours, it's going to be the same. For instance, the weekly is saying sell, the daily is saying sell, and then in 4 hours, you're seeing a buy. Don't place that trade until that trade change from a buy to a sell. Then everything will be in sync. Weekly, sell, confirm. Daily, sell, confirm. And then 4 hours, sell, confirm. You place your trades. And on a weekly self, you see the resistance and support where this market is likely going to reach. For instance, now I placed a trade on 4 hours. I'm going to use this current chart. This is my daily time frame. I placed a trade on 4 hours. And if you see now, for instance, on the daily time frame, I still have like up to where the current market is. I have up to, you see, what can you see there? This is, I still have up to 91 pips down to go. 91 pips on the daily time frame sell. And why I place this sell trade is because the market has hit off a resistance and it's going down. And if I zoom out and I get my trend line and I place my trend line here and I draw this trend line. Okay, wait, let me get the trend line. I place my trend line. Good. And I draw my trend line. And I draw my trend line. See, the market is on a downtrend. Although it seems like it's ranging. To be sincere, this seems like a range to me because my EMA is sideways right now. It is not going up or going down. This market is ranging to me. But if I zoom out, let me zoom out. Okay, so I can see that this is an uptrend, initial uptrend, because the EMA is going gradually up. But here the EMA was in a side trend. So on the daily, I can see that this market has hit off a resistance and is gradually slowly coming down to this support. It is gradually coming to this support. If you have attended my classes, I said that the resistance acts as a ceiling, while the support acts as a floor. So when you throw a ball on the ceiling, what does the ball do? It bounces back off the ceiling and comes back to the floor. And if you bounce a ball on a floor, it will bounce back up and go back to the ceiling. This is exactly what the market did here. The market bounced on this resistance and came back down. This is close to how many pips? Just by bouncing off this ceiling on the daily time frame, this market came back down 134 pips. Just grab this bounce off. Just grab just this one bounce off. And then if the market bounce off again from this ceiling, and as it bounces off, I'll take it from the week, because if you cut it on the week, you see it went down close to 200 pips. 200 pips before it reversed, 201 pips before it reversed the opposite direction. You reverse the opposite direction, and then the market has bounced off again from a resistance. Maybe we see this resistance on the 4 hours, but it's bounced off a resistance and it's currently going downwards. And so far, it has gone just 92 pips. 92 pips. And based on what I can see here, this market, the support that could hold this market from going more down is close to 181 pips. So I've seen close to 181 pips movement from the current market situation. And then I go down to my 4 hours. And also, if I adjust this my trend line, I think I didn't draw this trend line well. Let me adjust it. If I adjust this my trend line, let me get that trend line. Let me see if I draw from body to body. Draw a trend line from body to body, not from week to week. Now, there are two ways to draw a trend line. You should watch that. You should learn that from body to body and from week to week. So if I draw from body to body, you can see that, yeah, this market is on a downtrend like this, on a downtrend. So if I go down to my 4 hours, good. You see the 4 hours has showed me the same initial trend I showed you guys earlier. So this is the trend. Let me adjust that. Good. This is 4 hours downtrend line. This 4 hours downtrend line. Amazing. So this 4 hours downtrend line. This market is rapidly moving down now. Rapidly moving. There is high volatility on Euro GBP, and this is the session. This is the market session. It just opened, I guess. This is the market session. So the market is currently moving, and I've done my break even. So you can see that on the 4 hours, there is a support, very close support, but on the daily you can't see that support. That's why I placed my stop loss, my take profit very close, and it's about to hit the take profit. And we have 27 pips to the next support. And also you can see here I got an arrow entry. So I have a bounce here, arrow, and the thing went down, go, bounce again, arrow, but there was a reversal here. So because this reversal here, there is a resistance here. So this resistance pulled back this market, and I got another arrow, and we placed a trade, go. That's why we're on this down trade, down sell. And you can see I see the downtrend line that I drew, downtrend line I drew. So if you go down to 1 hour, good. On the 1 hour, this is where the main information shows that we're on a downtrend. 1, 2, 3, 3 resistance. You see, on the 4 hours we didn't see this resistance, but on 1 hour the resistance has shown. I thought there's a resistance there, but we were not able to see it on 4 hours. If you look closely, you see that resistance was not here on 4 hours, but if you come down to 1 hour, you see the resistance. So you have to take this very serious. Draw your support and resistance on every single time frame. Even if you're going to mark it out, daily support, daily resistance. If you go down to 4 hours, you mark it out day 4 hours support, 4 hours resistance. Then you go down to 1 hour and mark it out 1 hour support, 1 hour resistance. So you see, I played this trade yesterday after I got this bounce, this arrow. I didn't catch this first arrow, and which was meant to be here. But as I left the call yesterday, I then saw a trade. I saw this trade and I placed a sell, and it was going profitable. So as it started giving me profit, I scale up. That is what they call scale up. As a trade goes right, you scale up. You put in more entries. You put in more entries. That's one of the ways of growing a small account to a big account. So you scale up. But if the trade, but that's why risk management is very important. I placed just one trade, put my stop loss 40 pips above, put my take profit 80 pips above. That is risk to reward ratio 1:2. I'm risking 40 to 880. So how it works now is that because of that that trade went right, I had to scale up. I had to scale up. And by scaling up, I added more trades. I added more trades. So now the trades, all the trades are on profit, and I've done break even for all of them. I've done break even for all of them. So currently now the trade is on downtrend, and then I have a support, very close support here. That's why I'm taking my profit so close. The same thing implies on the 4 hours. If I go to the 4 hours, I check. Okay, I place, you see, the current market has 28 pips to get to the next support. 28 pips to get to the next support. 28 pips to get to the next support. If I go to 4 hours, it has, let me check again, 30 pips to get to the next support. It has 30 pips to get to the next support. So uh it's not really bad if I place a trade. If I place a trade and I take my profit before it hits the next support on 1 hour or hits the next support on 4 hours. Because on daily time frame we have, wow, you see, on daily time frame we have a very big push to the next support, close to 85 pips. But I'm not going for that. I'm going to grab this, and I'm out. I'm out of the market. And that's how many pips I just grabbed based on the first trade. That's how many pips? That's 50 pips. That's 50 pips. So I'm good with that. I'm good with that for the week, and I'll be out. So that's it for this trade, and that's it for this entry. Let's check out our crypto pairs. What's going on there? What's going on there? We analyzed Litecoin yesterday and we placed it on our watch list. We analyzed Litecoin and we placed it on our watch list. So I will zoom in. I will zoom in. I will zoom in and see what happens. First of all, I have to go. I want to place my trade. I want to place my trade on 1 hour. And like we said, if you want to place a trade on 1 hour, you have to first of all go down to a daily time frame. Wow. On daily time frame, it has just hit off a resistance, and I think this is why we added to our watch list. It has hit off a resistance. So we have up how many pips to the downside? Whoa. I don't really know how to calculate pips in crypto, but this is a very, very huge move. So this is close to, if you place down $10 on this trade, on this single trade, this could give you close to 75 to $80. Just this move. I'm sure of this. I'm sure of this. Because I've used such move like this to grow a $44 account to $800. If you want to see the records, chat me up, DM me, I'll send you the records. And I'll do some personal analysis and drop you the video too. So 4 hours. Wow, okay. I see why the move is not really going. You see what I just said. On daily, it is free. It is free to move down. But on 4 hours, there is a support, very close support. And this market has been on an uptrend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 support levels uptrend. 7 and just one resistance downtrend. So I'm assuring you that if this get loosed, as in if this support level is broken, if it's broken by on the 4 hours, we'll move down. What I'm sure is that what goes up definitely must come down. It's law of gravity. What goes up must come down. So it is on the must come down that we are going to place our trades and make our profits. I've not entered a trade on this. I added it on my watch list, so I'll be always looking at it, coming gradually, looking for signals, looking for the right time when the fruit ripes. Then I'll drive into it. And currently, the fruit is not ripe. It is currently ranging within a support and resistance. But definitely, I know that weekend, when the forex market has closed, this move, this sell move will surely occur when people want to sell their coins for personal use, I guess. So this is same thing is happening in the 1 hour. That same support you see is still on the 1 hour. So if I move down to, let me say, 15 minutes, let me see what's going on 15 minutes. The same support is still on 15 minutes. And on 5 minutes, okay, I have a sell signal on 5 minutes though. And it's respected our strategy. It has the bounce, the arrow, and the go. But I enter market on 5 minutes with on crypto. Yeah, on crypto, because crypto is very volatile. It's a very volatile market. I enter market on 5 minutes, but I'm going to enter the market when everything is in sync. For instance, this 1 hour now, this support has been broken. And I see a sell signal on 5 minutes. Then I'll enter the market and I'll ride definitely. I think when this market gets to this point, this support will be broken. Then I'll ride this all this way down to this part. This will give me more profits than me entering on 5 minutes. And riding it downwards. So something else I want to teach. Sorry about that. Connection issues. To back. It will be back very shortly. It will be back very shortly. Okay, we're back. We're back. I want to teach you guys something. I just got a text on my Telegram, and a friend of mine is asking me for signals that he has a low account and he wants to grow it within a day. He wants to grow the account within a day. So what I want to say is that there is what they call compounding interest. It's one of the 9 secrets of the world. I'll share a new screen. Let me share a new screen. Okay, this is a site, tackletrading.com, and I want to show you guys one of the 9 wonders. This is one of the wonders of the world. The great minds know that this is numbers of months, and this is starting balance. Let me say, for instance, we have a starting balance of $100, and for 9 months, you add just, let me say, 10% of that amount. You see, 10% of that amount every month. You add 10% of $100 to the account. So 10% of $100 is $10. When it is added, it turns to $110. This is for the first month. Then what you have in your account now is $110. For the next month, you're going to find 10% of $100. and then you add it to the account, it goes to $121. For the next month, you find $10 of $121. There will be down times, there will be bad times, but let me say, for instance, you have 10% every month to aim at your account. 10% every month to aim every month, just 10%. I can do that in a day, and I'm through. I can get $10 from $100 account, and I'm through trading for the whole month. That's the type of mentality we're meant to get right now. The type of mentality we're meant to build in ourselves right now. So I'm going to show you the secret of what I'm trying to share right now. But I want you to understand it first of all, basically on the 1 year scenario, and you're going to get $313 at the end of the year. There will be bad times, there will be bad trades, but no matter what, if you still keep track, your risk management on very disciplined, risking minimal percentage of accounts, risking minimal percentage of accounts, and gaining the particular percentage for the day. Again, particular percentage for the day. So that's how this works. So that's how this works. So this $100, you get $10, 10%, which is 110, and these 110, you get 10% for the next month. You do that down to 12 months. Then at the end of 11 months, you have 10% of 285. You add it, which is this 10% of it, you add it, and to give you $213. You can do the mathematics yourself. So see where the magic works. So this is 1 year. What about if you do it for the next year? This is 2 years now. This is 2 years. So I've done this for 2 years now, and it turned out to be $984. $984 by consistency. You keep it up every single day of your life, or every month. I don't even want it to be a day itself, because you can, if you try to place trades every day, it's not every day that you see trading opportunities. So if you try to place trade every day, you might end up blowing the account or messing up with the account. So in that scenario, you then make sure that you be patient. Yeah, be patient. See the right opportunity, place the trade, and leave the market to roll. Patience is everything in trading. One thing is to have the technical skills, the mindset, and secondly, patience. In life, there's a lot of things to do. You need to be patient. There are some people that wants to come into the market and make $1,000, from $10 to $1,000 within a week. Yeah, that happens, but you have to be constantly on the chart. But still, if you place a trade, you're not going to move the market now. You're going to leave the market to roll. Even if you place trade, you don't place trade, the market will still roll. So you just have to analyze the market on your strategy and place a trade. So this is for 2 good years. 2 good years. And you grew $100 account to $984. This is for 2 years. This is better than whatever you do keeping your money in the bank account. Every day you have a particular target you have to grow your account to. Every day you have a particular target to grow your account to. So let's try this formula for 3 years. Let's try it for 3 years. And in 3 years, you have that account to $3,091. $3,091. That's in naira, 1,400,000 naira. So for 3 years, you grew $100 account to 1 million in 3 years, just by adding 10% of the amount every single day, every single month. Just by adding 10% of the account every single month. Just by adding 10% of the account every single month. 10%. Any trader, any basic trader can do this. 10% of my account is just 100 pips. So And I can do this just by placing 2 trades on 2 currency pairs. I'll do it for the month and I'm through. I'm through. I'm through for that month. I won't open my MT4, I won't open my MT5, I won't open my trading account, nothing for that month again till next month. Even if the sky is going up or the moon is falling down, there's somebody that Bitcoin is rising or this, I won't place a trade. I've hit my target for the month and I'm out. This is discipline. This is discipline. So for 3 years, we have our account grown to that amount. What about if we do it for 4 years? Let me say our endpoint. Okay, this is a 10 years goal plan for 4 years. 4 years, and we have $9,700. $9,700 for 4 years. $9,700. Let's do that for 5 years. I want to do this for 10 good years. That just every single month, 10%. So nothing much. This is 5 years, and I have $30,448. It all depends on your mindset. It all depends on your human psychology. There are some people that believe that if I rip somebody off, that's the only way I can get rich. But there are some people that calculate that if I continuously do a positive habit just once every month, just to get 10% from a particular amount in my account, in the next 6 years, I'm going to have this account. I'm going to have this in my account. $30,000. $30,000. $30,000. And I did that for 5 years. I did that for just adding 10% monthly, not daily. I said monthly. Call any person that has passed through our training in Forex. They can do this within an hour and they are through. Okay, we have done this for 5 years. Let's continue. Let's go down to the 6th year. And I have $95,559. 10% every single month. 10% too. Then I have $95,559. This is for the 6th year. I go to the 7th year. I'm doing this for 8 years. This is my 8 years plan. 8 years plan. Sorry, 10 years plan. So I have $299,906. $299,906.90. See the calculation. So from the $100 down to that year, it's all year. The calculations are all year. You can go on this site and you can make use of it. So this is for 7 years. This is for 7 years. What about the 8th year? Let's go down to the 8th year. And for the 8th year, I have $941,234. $941,234 on the 8th year. This is what I have on the 8th year. On the 9th year, there will be drawdowns, so there will be bad times. Oh my God! On the 9th year, I have $2,953,996 on the 9th year. I've hit $1 million on the 9th year just by adding 10% to a particular amount I have every single month. Every single month, not every single day, not every single week. Every single month. Every single month. And even if it's so difficult for you that I don't know how much I need to make, just come down here. The amount you need to make is here. The amount you need to make is here. You just have to take this as a daily goal. Come here, analyze the market. If you see your potential push to the downside, I've shown you how I analyze the market. If you see your potential push to the downside, you let me know. You put your trades. And I've done this for 9 years. And I say I'm doing this for 10 years. Just 10 years. My 10 years plan. 10 years plan. And 10 years is 20 months, and voila, I have myself $9 million. $9 million. $9 million. Just by doing this. This is the power of compounding. It's one of the nine wonders of the world. Albert Einstein said this himself. It's going to be tough. There will be bad times, there will be bad trades, there will be wrong trades, but don't give up. Don't give up. As at today, that amount you're seeing there is 4 billion naira. It's 4 billion. So if you have this, don't ever see small money as small money. See it as huge money. See it as very huge money, because it all depends on how you grow the tree. Investment is a seed you put in, you plant and you nurture that seed every single day, every single week, every single month, based on the type of interest you want it at the end. This 10 years plan. Trading is take trading as a 10 years plan. Don't take it as get money fast and ball out. No, that's the wrong mindset. A lot of traders will teach you, let's get this money fast, let us ball out, let us start this. There are a lot of scams outside there. I know I'm still a trader that is growing. I've done good trades. I've made mistakes, but I'm still on the ladder. And with this on my side and with my strategy, I can do that. The indicator is here. If you need indicator, you contact me. My number is there. I'll guide you through on how to get it. You can also use your trading view app. I use my trading view app and I use the same trading style on my indicator. Sorry, on my trading view app. I marked out my daily support and resistance. I marked out my daily support and resistance. I marked out my 4 hour support and resistance. I marked out my four hour support and resistance. And I marked out my 1 hour support and resistance. I placed my trade on 1 hour. I placed my trade on 1 hour. If this market breaks this resistance here, I'm in on this trade. But it has not done what I want it to do. And it's why I added it on my watch list. This is my watch list. See the three trades I marked out on my watch list. This is Litecoin on my watch list. It has not done what I wanted it to do. See, I'm waiting for Litecoin. If it does exactly what I want it to do, I'm in on that trade. You have to mark all this out. Take it serious. 10%. I'm just saying 10 good percent. 10 good percent. 10. That's all. And you're out. You're done trading. You're done trading. I don't know what's so hard about this. I don't know what's so hard. It's just that people come to the market with greed, and eventually you end up losing your money, because two things control the market: greed and fear. Greed and fear. I think BTC disrespected my analysis. But no worries. Market is reactional, not predictable. So that's it for today, guys. I'm so glad that you guys came on this call. I'm happy that most of you have been so far on this call, and you guys have been coming in consistently on this call. I'm so happy. Let me check. Let me do some analysis on this other currency pairs. Okay, this is BNB. Well, BNB also has a sell signal on this something on this indicator, but it's still ranging. Once the support is broken, I'm telling you, we're moving down. We are moving down. We back some money on BNB. We back some good money on BNB. So this is Bitcoin Cash. I'm still waiting for this break to happen. The break has not occurred yet. The break has not occurred. So the sell daily sell resistance, 4 hour sell resistance with 1 hour change to sell to break support. So if you break this support, I'm in. So but this is what my eyes is on right now. This is what my eyes is on right now. This BNB trade is as good as, what anything you can call it. And if you look on our daily time frame, is it is in a new heaven, and by new heaven I mean no man's land. It is creating history. So just the same way BTC is creating history. So there's always going to be a pullback, and the same thing with the 4 hours. You see, the 4 hours is ranging indecision. There's a resistance and a support there holding it, and if you want to see that resistance support, you come down to your 1 hour. This is why that 4 hours is not moving, and we're placing our trade of 1 hour. So if 4 hours start moving good, oh my god, of 1 hour daily time frame retest, oh my god, we're going down, and we grab these pips, grab this money. So that's it for this crypto pair. That's it for this crypto pair. Then let me see if there's any other opportunity. Let me see. There are some signals that got in. Gold has been making some moves today. I missed out on this move, but no worries. Ah man. Okay, wait. Let me see. Okay. Wait. Okay, good. I analyzed this market yesterday. I think with you guys. Uh, so this is a downtrend. This market is currently on a downtrend. This market is currently on a downtrend, very good downtrend, and it's on the trend line now. So I could be expecting a reversal. I could be expecting a reversal very soon. Let me check my 4 hours. Okay, on 4 hours you can see there's a resistance there. Yes, I know I missed a buy entry, but me I'm looking for a sell entry on gold. So there's a resistance there. There's a resistance. So if I get my, let me get this. It has how many pips? It has 17 pips to the next resistance on 4 hours. 17 pips to the next resistance. And let me check my daily time frame. Sorry, I've checked daily time frame. I've checked daily time frame, I think. And you can see it's on downtrend. There are two resistance. Although the green boxes are much. But what goes up must come down. So that I know the green boxes are much. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 green boxes and 2 red boxes. Exactly what I'm expecting on my BNB. That's what is happening on gold right now. What goes up must definitely come down. So we're waiting for the move to the downside. Waiting for the move to the downside. So we go down to our 4 hours. I see there's a resistance there that will hold this market from moving more up. Then I go down to my 1 hour. I go down to my 1 hour. You see, on the 1 hour, it is within a resistance level. It's within a resistance level. And gold is very highly volatile. Like when I come to volatility, it's very high. Like it moves close to 1,000 pips a day. Gold. So we have to be very careful. We have to be very careful. So on 1 hour, there is a up push. It bounced off here, arrow here, and go. It met up to the resistance, came back down, retest. That is impulse correction. And then I think it's going for another impulse. But there's a trend line there. There could be a reversal very soon. So if I go down to my 15 minutes, I want to place my trade on 5 minutes. So on the 15 minutes, you can see that yes, it has a buy signal. That's the buy signal, but the green bars, they are not light green. You see, they are ash green. So there is a very high probability that this is a fake out and there will be a reversal very soon. But the market is reactional, not predictable, so it can react. It can react. So definitely, what I'm looking for is a sell signal. I'm not looking for a buy signal on gold right now. I'm looking for a sell signal. So if I go down to 5 minutes, that's where you can see closely what is happening on 15 minutes, and you can see that this is the buy signal we got from gold, and it has moved up. How many people did it go? It moved up. It had a little drawdown though. It had a little drawdown. Drawdown of how many pips? Drawdown of 34 pips before it moved up. It moved up 23 pips and now it is coming back down again. It is coming back down again. That's it for coming back down again. So that's it for gold. I'm looking for a sell signal. So I'm waiting I think when this support is broken on gold, when the support is broken on gold, then our sell signal will be gotten. And this is something else I want to teach you about this indicator. Thank God that it happened here. So we had a bounce, an arrow, and we placed a go here. Then the market goes down. How many pips? It went down, wow, 44 pips before it reversed and came back up and came back down to complete a 60 pips move to the downside, 60 pips move before it started reversing. Now there's another bounce and there's an arrow here. There's an arrow here and the thing placed a go. So as soon as you enter a sell, here, this is a sell. So it went down 185 pips. So it went down 18 pips, sorry. It went down 18 pips. So if this reversal occurs, you're meant to close this trade. You're meant to close this trade. As soon as this reversal occurs and this support box shows up, the indicator will place the support for you. The indicator will place support for you. You yourself, you now have to do the due diligence to watch it always and know when there is a change, when there is a support box here. Or if you place a trade, a sell trade, you place a sell, this is sell trade you placed, and then this support showed up. You have to close this trade as soon as it goes opposite direction. You have to close it. So when this market moves up, you don't have to lose your money. You don't have to lose a lot of money. So currently on gold, there is a possibility that this market could reverse and go sell this week or next week, because if I check on the daily time frame, currently is on the trend line. Yes, it's on the trend line, and 4 hours it is in a resistant box. On 4 hours it is close to a resistant box. 1 hour it is within that resistant box. So there is high possibility that the reversal will happen very soon. And this is what weekly. So on weekly, I'm watching out for next week, and I can see market candlestick anatomy showing up there. Candlestick anatomy. This is an indecision candle. This is an indecision candle. This is doji candle. Yes. So for those my students that know what a doji candle, you know what doji candle means and represents. So this is a doji candle. So I'll be expecting a push to the downside after this indecision happens. Push the downside, and this is close to how many pips? We have seen close to 3,918 pips in the future. 3,918 pips, but I'm not looking for that 3,918 pips. You know what I'm looking for? This this indicator has not brought out what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking for. I'm not that greedy. This is gold. So come on, let me identify that for you. This is what I'm looking for. There is a support here. There's a support here. So when this market changes in trend, I'm looking to enter the sell and hold the trade. I'll hold the trade. I'll open three trades. I'll open three trades. I'll monitor one on the 1 hour, and when it hits my support on 1 hour, I close it, do break even for the two. Then on 4 hours, I'll monitor that one. When it hits my support, I'll do break even. And then on daily, I'll monitor, and when it hits my support, I will take out the trade. But for instance, this is what I'm going to be monitoring. I'll be aiming for 1,197 pips in the future. And this is a downtrend. This is downtrend. This will happen. This will start happening by January next week. So next week is January 1st. So sorry, tomorrow is January 1st, and I'm wishing everybody a happy new year in advance, and God bless you, prosperous new year, great achievements, and so on. So this is what I'm aiming for. Wow, Euro GBP is about to hit my TP. Euro GBP is about to hit my TP. Let me do more break even. Do more break even. Let me cover up some profits. At least just these two trades, just these three trades I placed. Just these three trades I placed. Let me watch out though. Did I place that one? Just these three trades I placed has covered up my 10% for the week. For the month itself, more than that, 10% for the month or week. So GBP is really strong this morning. GBP is really strong. What's going on in other pairs? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Oh, just the resistance. Okay, what's going on? GP is really strong this morning. It's really strong this morning. I think Euro is weak. Euro is massively weak. That's why this is going on. Because most of the pairs I'm looking at here, no serious move is happening. Okay. Wow. This is GP USD. And it has been buying for some time now. It has bought. Very high move. Very. This is how many pips? Wow. 187 pips. 187 pips. 187 pips. Let me see what's going on. So, wow. Wow. So everything is in sync. Daily buy, 4 hours buy, 1 hour buy, and I enter my trade with 15 minutes and I hold it. So it even gave us a signal this morning itself. Give us a signal this morning. But I didn't get the signal. Why? Oh, most of my charts are in 1 hour. Ah, okay, let me put them back in 15 minutes. Let me put them back in 15 minutes. So you enter the trade with 15 minutes, but before you enter the trade in 15 minutes, you analyze your daily 4 hours and 1 hour to make sure that everything is in sync. You see, they even give us signals. UP give us signals for all these pairs. They gave us signal. Oh, well, this one is close to resistance, so I won't enter that trade. I'll enter that trade. Let me. Okay. I think UP is massively strong today. But that's good. That's fine. I got a GBP Euro GBP trade, so I'm fine with that. No bad feelings. I have my 10%, and I'm through. Okay, so I've set that up. Let me change my gold back to. So I'll be waiting for you. I'll be waiting for you. So I'll change my gold back to 5 minutes. Because on this 5 minutes, I have to see the sell signal to place the trade. Let me see 1 hour. Oh no, let me leave it to 1 hour. Leave it to 1 hour. Well, I'm expecting a sell signal on 1 hour. So for now, Euro GBP trade is good. I think a pullback will be happening anytime soon. A pullback will be happening anytime soon on Euro GBP. We're on a downtrend. That's why there was a very huge push. A pullback will be happening soon. I want to check on my 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. What's happening? Okay. I think I've seen what's going on. On 5 minutes, there is a support there. That's why this pullback is occurring. I didn't see it on any other time frame. You see, on 5 minutes, my TP is below the support. So this is what you need to master. This is what you need to master, or how to check multiple time frames. That's what they do, top-down analysis. You have to master this. So this is it. The TP, the TP. think I'll take down one of my trades. Okay, took down one of my trades, and let me adjust this. Let me do break even on this. What? Okay, okay. So let me go down to my 15 minutes. Okay, and I'll place. How many pips did I take? Ah, I didn't calculate. Let me know, don't worry. It's meant to be 50 pips. Okay, 50 pips is down here, which is 0.89723. 0.89723. 0.89723. I'm going to do my break even because I'm already on profit on this trade. I'll do my break even. And I did break even of how many pips? No, I have to lock. I want to lock 20 pips. I want to lock 20 pips. What I locked there was 10 pips. I want to lock 20 pips. The market has done how many pips? It has done 30 pips. Okay, if I'm to use the advice of my mentor here in Nigeria, Ginekawa Michael Solution, he said that whenever the market does 30 pips, you should do break even and put your stop loss on the entry price. But right now I've done break even and put my stop loss on, I put my stop loss 10 pips away from the entry price. So if I'm taking 20 pips, I'm going to be greedy. I need to give the market 20 pips space. I need to give the market 20 pips space to be free to do whatever it needs to do. So I'll lock this on 10 pips and I'm good with it. I'll lock it on 10 pips and I'm good with it. I'm good. So if I go to 5 minutes, yes, I understand why this is occurring. There's a support there. There's a support. That's why it didn't hit my 50 pips target on my first trade. But the second, I have two other trades running. So because I have two other trades running, no worries. Let me adjust the other one too. Okay. So let me see. Okay, good. On 4 hours, it's close to the resistance. It's close to the support. On 1 hour, it's close to the support. Good. And on 15 minutes, good. So, well, I'm on the safe side. Then let me go back to my 5 minutes. Then I'll have to adjust the stop loss. What? What happened? Why did the other one leave? Let me make it 10 pips. 10 pips. 10 pips, yes. So I'm giving the market room to breathe, to do whatever it wants to do, play the game it wants to play. But this is my target. This 50 pips down here. Where is it? So 50 pips. So that's it. That's it. I'm so happy that you guys got on this call. So far, you can see that we got a signal on Euro GBP, and we placed the trade. And I've been showing you so far how I've been managing the trade. Then GBP pairs are very strong. GBP pairs are very strong, and this is why the reversal is occurring on the 1 hour, because I'm managing currency pairs on 15 minutes. So this is why this is occurring. But I know there will be a little pullback, then the continuation to downside, because this is a downtrend. If you look, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's it for today, brothers, and anyone that is paying attention to this call. I want to just let you guys know that I have a course on this Forex trading. The course is always available. You chat me up, I'll put you through to teach you how to place trades on Forex market, the basic on Forex market, the history and the current situation of the Forex market, the future of the Forex market, how to manage your trades, risk management, how to analyze the market, different analysis, and different structures in the market. That's what we teach you, and we definitely grow with it. Me, I'm a forex trader for 5 years now, and I've used this knowledge to be financially free. And my passion is to impact financial freedom in any individual I come in contact with. Leadership is one of my passion too. And whenever I see someone is very, very comfortable and is able to use this skill to grow himself, potentials, and unleash his skills, then definitely I know that I've achieved my goal in someone's life. I want to also do a lot. I want to do a lot. I want to give good water to people that have bad water. I want to give houses. I want to give clothes to people that don't have clothes, food to people that don't have food to eat. I just need support. I need support, and I'll build up a business. I'll build up a business and get investors to help me fund the business, and then I'll carry out the projects, bring out the products, and make sure that I reach and touch lives, create buildings, infrastructures for uh, an establishment in different states in Nigeria, because Nigeria we need to we need to go into productivity. We need to be industrious. We need to be industrious. Look at Dubai, high advanced technologies, AIs is being created in Dubai as we speak. They have a school for AIs. Like we need to go into the future. We're still backwards. So this is one of the opportunities we have. The brokers have created this opportunity for us, giving us access to this market, and you can make money from the comfort of your home just through this market. So they are very big opportunities. You just have to be able to look at them, analyze them, and know how to use them to help your life and the lives of people around you. So definitely, I'm very glad that God has given me this skill to be able to grow myself and grow every individual around me. Thank you so much for the time. Thank you so much for your attention. And I want you to tell yourself that this is a skill you're learning for a lifetime. You might fail today, but definitely, if you know the skill, you know the skill. You definitely scale high. You will definitely scale high. Have your plans, have your ideas, put them in place, set them up, and let them guide you. There are a lot to be unleashed. There are a lot to be unleashed. We have to take them one step at a time. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for uh, the opportunities of giving me to talk to you today. I wish everybody a very prosperous new year, great achievement, success, and elevation in all your endeavors. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.